the Giga press, and the new 4680 batteries. This day is the grand opening of the Texas Giga factory and will mark the production start of the Model Y. Make sure to subscribe to Elon Musk Insider and hit that bell icon. And this is Optimus the robot. It's pretty smart and it will be able to help with boring tasks and repetitive everyday problems. It's expected to build on the same full self-driving software as we've seen in the recent Tesla full self-driving beta updates. The Gigafactory in Austin is the new Tesla headquarters. It's $1.1 billion and it's measuring a massive 4.3 million square feet. That's the size of nearly 100 football fields. And as you might know, Giga Texas is using a lot of robots. This is a Model Y on top of a robot which is traveling in these magnetic lanes. What you're looking at here is a Giga casting. It's the front of the new Model Y in Austin, Texas. You're also looking right at the machine. It's a Giga press and it's huge. And over at the right side, the rear end of the Model Y. This is significantly improving the efficiency of the factory. And the Tesla Giga casting delivers massive strength, and unlike many manufacturers, they are using 700 degrees molten aluminium, which is sent into a die-cast mold, which you've seen. The mold is clamped with 6,100 tons of force, and in just 130 milliseconds is producing a durable shape and a new body part. And it's reducing the number of parts from 168 to 1. That's a pretty significant improvement from Tesla. They want to build a machine that builds the machine. Kind of meta. They're trying to be the best car company, but they're also trying to be the best manufacturer. What you're looking at here is the previous Model Y and Model 3 design. This has been criticized for using a lot of parts, which are welded together. And in fact, you need a machine for every different part. 168 parts to be exact. But not anymore with the Giga press. This is the iron that you need, and it results in only one part, reducing the manufacturing process with 167 robots. That is good engineering. The pros with making only one part is corrosion resistance and also additional strength that you would never get if you were to weld together 168 parts. So this is great engineering by Tesla. This is the previous rear end of the Tesla Model Y. As you might see, it's made up of 100 pieces. And this is the Giga-casted version of the Model Y rear end. It allows Tesla to reach a higher structural integrity using a lot less aluminium. Tesla also revealed the structural battery pack at the Cyber Rodeo event. This is the Tesla structural battery pack. It consists of many 4680 batteries This is just a stunt because it's obviously not connected to one another, but it shows the design. It shows how capable the 4680 batteries are. They're just enormous compared to the previous batteries. And this piece of metal right here is what sets Tesla apart from its competition. It's liquid-cooled batteries. And when separated, this is how the Tesla batteries are welded together, 2 by 2 in a row. And over at the left side here, you're looking at an anode and a cathode. This is the battery before it's been born. And you see the fringes up on the side here? This is what gives the battery the new characteristics of the 4680 battery. This saves a lot of space, it gives the battery a higher density, and it makes the production much easier for Tesla. And you're also looking at the blue and white separator. This is sort of a jelly with tape on it, and when it rolls towards the black part with fringes, it encapsulates the battery. You see, the Tesla factory obviously includes a lot of robots and machines. And Tesla, they want to be the company that produces the machine that produces the machine. It's pretty meta. And of course, they had the Roadster and the Roadster 2, the Roadster 2020, which did not come out in 2020, obviously. So this is set to come out next year, along with the Cybertruck. And it's great to see the new Cybertruck at the Cyber Rodeo event. No door handles this time, so I think it's fair to say that we can expect some new features on the Cybertruck. Exciting times ahead. And Tesla also revealed these illegal mirrors. No one knows why it's illegal, but we can't expect to see these anytime soon. And we will end this episode with showing you an exclusive look on the exploded version of the Tesla Model Y, as well as the concert, and Elon saying that the production has started on Austin, Texas Gigafactory. And with that said, like and subscribe to get the latest content on Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and his other companies. Thanks for tuning in, guys.